Hey guys, welcome to Citadel. The playground we are right here is only 100 meters away from my newest listing. I'm so excited to show you. Let's go! Come on in. This beautiful starter home features fully developed basement, oversized detached garage, massive deck, recently replaced floorings right here in the entry foyer and the kitchen and the bathrooms, brand new appliances, and also the sellers have just recently replaced the windows in the basement, making them huge, and there is so much natural light. And this is this famous and massive 19 by 23 foot deck right in the back. Just imagine what you can guys do over here. 178 Citadel acres close, now on the market. Give me a call.